What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're checking out another Tribit product. This is the MaxSound Plus. Now, CES 19 just passed us and Tribit actually invited me to come and check them out at their booth, but unfortunately I wasn't able to go this year. I think I'm gonna try to plan to go to the 2020 version. What do you guys think down below? You think I should go? Let me know. Since I wasn't able to make it, they sent me the product that they were actually gonna showcase this year. Now, this is actually running off of Bluetooth 4.2 and they're saying that it has a 100-foot connection range with perfect connectivity, so that's really awesome to hear. Not only that, but it is IPX7 rated, which means that you don't have to worry about this thing getting wet. It is waterproof. Wow, that's heavy. That's got some girth to it. Now we've got an instruction manual, 30-day money-back guarantee, 18-month replacement warranty, lifetime support guaranteed. Nice. Leave us a review on any channel and we'll return the favor by donating $1 to the United States Fund for UNICEF charity. Nice. So I guess this is me contributing. I'm leaving my review on my channel. So there we go. I just donated $1 to UNICEF. Fantastic. I highly suggest if you get this, make your own review. All right. So we've got looks like a accessory box. First, we got about a 1.5 foot, 3.5 to 3.5 cable, so you can actually hardwire it, which that's good because not only does it have a 220 milliamp hour battery, which gets you 20 hours, up to 20 hours of battery life, but if you hardwire it, it'll actually help with that battery life, so that's good. And then we have about a foot long micro USB to USB cable. All right, now, like I said, this thing has a little weight to it. They're saying that it is 595 grams, which is about 1.3 pounds. Oh. Wow, that is slick. Oh, I like that. It's super smooth texture on it. I'm not sure what they've got going on here, but that's nice. That's really nice. But it feels extremely solid. Look at that. On the inside, we've got two 12-watt 45mm drivers and two passive radiators. On the top, you got your power button, Bluetooth play, volume down, volume up, also previous and next track, and then you've got their XBass button. They're saying once you hit this, it's gonna take the bass that's already good quality to that next level. On the back, you've got this flap here. Oh man, that's solid. Whoa, ow. Oh, that's why. It is it's a very thick rubber door there. Keep out any water. So you got your 3.5mm port and your micro USB port for charging. Wow, this thing, I'm telling you, this thing is super solid. And then on the bottom, you get your 4 rubber feet. There we go. The Tribit Max Plus. Okay, immediate pairing, nice. All right, so the sound control is independent all the way up. Wow. Wow. That's got some sound. I'm about to yell just to hear myself. That's pretty loud. Dang. All right, I'm gonna hit the X button. Wow. Woo! They're not lying, that has got some volume to it. And it sounds really clear too. I hope my microphone picks it up without distortion, but yeah.
Good mythical morning.
London, Nashville, St. Louis, Columbus, and Washington, D.C.
That's pretty good. 100-foot range. You know what? Let's test that out real quick. I had about 55 feet or so to play with, and that's going through walls and doors. So, and then once I finally left, closed the door behind me, the big metal door, I think that's what kind of broke the connection, because as soon as I stepped outside and closed that door, it started breaking up. So I would assume that if you were outside in a party settings, outside maybe on the beach or something, yeah, that 100-foot range is probably gonna cover you. Let's do one more thing. Let's make a phone call. Let's call my brother Jesse. Turn it up a little bit.
What's going down?
Testing out a little speaker.
Is this the Unbox Junkie?
This is the Unbox Junkie, yes. Test, 1 2 1 2, mic check, 1 2.
Yeah, we can have a conference call like this.
Oh, cool. Oh yeah, I can tell you're on speaker now. Okay, cool. So conversation, microphone seems to be good. Well, there we go. He said it sounded pretty good. He was even on speakerphone, so that was a pretty good test. From the metal grill to the very smooth finish that's on this whole thing. I really like it. Definitely digging it. 55 bucks. It's definitely got $55 sound. I'll give it that. Again, sorry I couldn't make it to CES, but thank you for sending me out your new product anyway. Hopefully next year I'll be able to make it. Again, everybody out there, tell me your thoughts. You think Unbox Junkie should go to CES 2020? I think so. Let me know down below. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave the links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.